I have been redesigning my room and my workspace in it since long, and this finally feels like the most simple yet functional design with a touch of aesthetics for me. Hi, I'm Manoj Madhur. I'm a user experience designer, and this right here is my work from home setup. Now that we are working from home, I have planned my setup ideal for long working hours and back-to-back meetings. I have come up with a layout and placement of every object according to their function and of course a visual balance. The most important thing to remember to have a tidy workspace is to have a solution for cable management. Yes, this solves majority of the visual clutter which can create more space on the desk, making it look clean. This right here is how I solved it, which even acts as a designated space for my personal laptop. I took a mesh drawer which was part of an unused trolley bought from IKEA, arranged all the wires in it and covered it with an old laptop razor. I have tied every individual wire with a band so that when required I can remove it without it getting tangled. As it is a mesh object, there is proper air circulation to avoid overheating of adapters. Another key function I had to prioritize was a space for note taking and reminders. So I bought this whiteboard and use it only to note down the most important things I want to focus on, accompanied with a notebook to take quick notes in a meeting when required. Even though we have a clock in various devices, I tend to look for one on the wall wherever I go to see time. So I installed a clock for my convenience. Now that I have a new table for my work from home setup, my old collapsible table acts as an additional work desk which can be used when I have someone over. I personally like this laptop razor which is compact and efficient wherever I go. I'll put a link of this and all the products shown in this video in the description. This is where I spent most of my time looking for the perfect chair, which goes with my setup and my room. My requirements for it were pretty clear. A chair comfortable enough for long working hours without compromising on the looks, and this was exactly what I was looking for. Lighting is a major concept in interior design, and I had to create something astonishing with it. So this now has been transformed into an entertainment unit. Alexa, change light to orange. I had to make tiny tweaks like this in my room as well so that everything is in harmony. I like the concept of minimalism and try to incorporate it in my daily life as much as possible. So just to give a brief about minimalism, as per a Google search result, minimalism is owning fewer possessions. Minimalism is intentionally living with the only things I really need, those items that support my purpose. I am removing the distraction of excess possessions so I can focus more on those things that matter most. So following this, I have decluttered my space and made it much cleaner, organized and functional than how it was earlier. This gives me a focus area, a reach to only the necessary items and a clear purpose on my work. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. This is Manoj Madhur, signing off.